Judge Williams.
Gotcha.
I don't. Why did you stop me?
You have your license, registration,
I'm not
proof
going
of
to give you my license and registration.
You
That's
know the
what
law,
you saw.
though. You know the law.
So what?
Here's your license, registration, proof of insurance.
Give it to me.
This incident occurred in the state of West Virginia on the 11th of July 2021. Officer DS was conducting a routine patrol when he spotted a man holding a cell phone while driving. Consequently, he immediately activated his emergency lights, signaling the vehicle to pull over.
How you doing, sir? The reason I'm stopping you...
Judge Williams.
The man's very first words upon seeing the officer were, "I'm Judge Williams." True to his claim, the man in the vehicle was indeed C. Carter Williams, who earned his law degree in 1991 and was elected to an 8-year judicial term in 2016.
Gotcha.
I don't. Why did you stop me?
You had your cell phone in your hand.
I had my phone like this.
Yeah.
I just lost it. I was just looking for it. Pulled it up like this. Was not on it. I just looked in the. Go up and look.
Okay. Why are you screaming at me?
Sir,
You have your license,
doing
registration, proof of
anything.
insurance. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I wasn't doing anything wrong.
You have your license, registration,
I'm
proof
not
of
going to
insurance.
give you my license and registration.
You were doing something wrong. You cannot have a handheld.
I had my phone just like this. I was not on my phone.
In what state of West Virginia you cannot have a handheld cell phone?
Williams appeared very agitated and insisted that he hadn't used the phone and had only just picked it up.
And you all aren't ever on yours, right? You're never on yours. I drive by a lot of times and y'all are on yours. You're never on yours, right?
Okay, I don't understand why you're
never
yelling
on
at
yours.
me. Why are you yelling at me, sir?
I said you're never on yours.
Why are you yelling at me?
I'm not yelling at you.
Yes, you have been. I've never raised my
Let me
voice at
tell
you.
you something. You all are on yours. I was not
If you read
talking
the code says that if we're conducting official business, you can be on it. I just don't know why you're yelling at me.
No, not on official business.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you, sir. Why are you so uptight? Huh?
Go and give me a ticket.
What's going on?
Give me a ticket.
Why are you so shaky? What's going on?
I'm irritated because you pulled me over for no reason.
You had your cell phone in your hand.
I picked up my cell phone because I had it lost.
Okay.
I pulled it up here and I had my hand on it here to put it in here.
You
That's
know the
what
law,
you saw.
though. You know the law.
So what?
At this juncture, the officer reminded the judge that as a man who knows the law inside out, he should understand the duties of law enforcement. However, the judge completely ignored him.
What if I have a cup in my hand?
You can't have a cell phone in the state of West Virginia in your hand.
Give me a ticket.
Write
me a ticket.
I just don't understand why you're...
Go give me a ticket. Write me a ticket. And I'll take it up to the town office and I'll go to trial. Give me a ticket. Go ahead. It's ridiculous what you're doing.
How is it ridiculous?
It's ridiculous.
That you had your cell phone in your hand.
Because you all have yours. I've seen it many times. Y'all have yours and you don't get pulled over. And don't tell me it's on official business. I hear your cases every day in court.
Okay, what's that mean?
Go give me a ticket.
The judge completely ignored him. The judge became so overwhelmed with agitation that his hands began to visibly tremble, and he repeatedly rushed the officer to write the citation quickly.
Give me a ticket. Give me a ticket. I'm really irritated about this whole... Go ahead and give me a ticket.
But why are you being like this to me? I've never done nothing to you in my whole life.
You just pulled me over for no reason.
Because you had your cell phone in your hand.
Pulled me over for no reason.
You had your cell phone. Okay.
After enduring the judge's unprovoked emotional outburst, the officer decided to disengage from the argument and proceed with writing the citation.
But Charles Williams of Moorfield expires 4 of 21 on an expired Class E, 0 points, 2975 is clear good.
To his utter surprise, upon running Judge Williams' credentials, the officer discovered that the judge's driver's license had been expired for nearly 3 months.
Lieutenant Mel.
What does that come back to?
Hold on. Hello? Yes. Oh my God.
Just as he was about to write the citation, the officer received a call from his supervisor. The supervisor informed him over the phone that Judge Williams had just called to complain about being stopped without cause.
Okay, well, he's literally just screaming at me and everything else. For no reason. I've tried. He's just screaming at me. And then he said that he reviews looks at our cases every day and we do wrong, blah, 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 blah. All right. Okay, bye.
The supervisor stated over the phone that Williams had called with the apparent intention of getting the officer to let him off the hook. He expressed his hope that the officer, if possible, would show professional courtesy and look the other way.
Hello? Yeah.
The moment the officer stepped back to confront Williams, the supervisor also called the judge back.
You can break me a ticket or not, I don't care. I'll take it up to town. We'll go to a trial, buddy. That's fine with me. And I tell you what, the next time I see any of you on the phone, I'm stopping right there and call the state police. Any of you.
Okay.
This is how I had my phone. I reached down and got it under my seat. I pulled it up here and I was driving like this. I was not talking on it. You can look. You can look when you pull me over. See whether I was on my phone.
It was apparent that the officer maintained a firm grip on Williams' identification, causing the judge to practically shake with rage. After snatching his paperwork back, he started his vehicle and fled the scene without being dismissed by the officer. According to subsequent investigation, on the day of the incident, Williams had called the police chief to complain about the traffic stop. Receiving no favorable response, he then contacted the former police chief to express his grievances regarding the entire police department's conduct. Even at 10 p.m. that same evening, Williams went so far as to pay a personal visit to the city's mayor, Carol Juber. During a 4 or 5 minute conversation, he complained about what he called chaotic law enforcement within the police department, hoping the mayor would intervene on his behalf. Ultimately, this intense overreach caught the attention of the county prosecutor and was referred to the Judicial Investigation Commission. Following a detailed inquiry, the commission unearthed a pattern. In the 3 months prior to this incident, Judge Williams had been pulled over 3 separate times for failing to wear a seatbelt, an expired registration, and running a stop sign. Yet, he was let off without a ticket every single time. On the 22nd of September 2022, the Judicial Investigation Commission handed down its final disciplinary action against Judge Williams. Citing the case as a textbook example of violating judicial conduct rules, Williams was found guilty of abusing his power by weaponizing his anger against the officer and badgering multiple local officials mid-stop, severely damaging public trust in the independence, integrity, and impartiality of the judiciary. Consequently, the commission suspended Judge Williams and ordered him to pay a $5,000 fine, plus investigation costs, bringing his total financial penalty to $11,000.